Welcome to Be Free. Imagine a life where you can follow your passions, support your family, and enjoy every moment without financial stress. Be Free is more than just a game. It's a journey to mastering smart investments and achieving financial independence. Let's see how you can make that a reality. The objective is simple. Achieve financial independence by generating $120,000 in annual passive income, or building a net worth of $2.5 million. It's a race to see who can reach financial freedom first by making smart financial decisions and mastering investment strategies. The first player to reach one of these goals wins the game and can proudly declare their financial independence. Are you ready to compete for the title of Financial Freedom Champion? Let's take a look at what's inside. The Pentagon-shaped game board, 225 cards covering investments, loans, and more, 115 banknotes for play money, game tokens, and a die. Make sure everything is set before you begin. The game board is shaped like a pentagon, with each side representing 1 year of your financial journey. Complete a full circuit and you've reached 5 years. Each space on the board has a unique role to play in shaping your financial path. To get started, place the banknotes, shuffle each deck of cards, and position your tokens on the start space. Each player begins with $100,000. The youngest player goes first, and another player will act as the banker. At the end of each year, follow these steps. Collect $50,000 in annual savings, earn passive income from your investments, and pay interest on loans. Every 5 years, you have the option to sell up to 3 assets and must repay at least 3 loans. Check your progress. Are you on track to financial freedom? Let's explore the board's stations. Investment. Make investments that can boost your passive income. Choose wisely. Every decision brings you closer to your goal. Loan. Need extra funds? Take out a loan. But remember, every loan needs to be managed carefully to avoid unnecessary debt. Wealth skills. Test your financial knowledge. Answer correctly to earn bonus cash and show your mastery of financial concepts. Crisis. Crises are inevitable. Prepare to handle unexpected losses and find creative ways to stay on top. Expense with bonus. Some expenses can work in your favor. These cards let you skip a turn later. Use them strategically. Spending. Pay non-essential expenses. Announce it to other players and continue your journey. If you're unsure about some financial terms, don't worry. Refer to the glossary in the rulebook for detailed explanations. The game ends when the first player achieves financial independence, or when all but one player has reached it. At this point, each winning player reads a special winner card aloud and celebrates their success. It's a victory worth sharing. Are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? Get your copy of Be Free today and experience the thrill of mastering investments and achieving your life goals. And when you're ready for the next level, challenge yourself with Be Free for Champions, where you'll learn to preserve your wealth, find true happiness, and make a positive impact on the world. Be Free, where financial freedom isn't just a goal, it's a reality waiting for you.